Get me 7 bitter colas. 7. When you get this bitter cola, grind it into powder. Get me oil, red oil, cooking oil, red one. Mix it together. Every morning before you go out, lick from it. Are you that type that always have promise and faith? People will promise you, they don't fulfill it. Is there anything you are asking yet the thing has not come to you? Go and do this particular one. Let me repeat what I said. Get me 7 bitter colas, ground it into powder, mix it with your red oil. First thing in the morning, before you go out, before you talk to anybody, lick it. As you are licking it, you make your prayers that today you will be blessed. No man that will promise you anything that will not fulfill it. Go and do this and come back with your testimony. Yes, it will work. Thank you for stopping by. See you on my next video. Bye.